Hello educators, coming at you today telling you how to anchor to your posture. While we're doing all of this virtual learning, we have a tendency to kind of slump. Maybe do a little bit of this. And I just want to remind you that good posture helps with good breath and good support. So if you're not as lucky as me, I actually brought this ball from home. And as you can see, it's positioned nicely because of my hips are roughly at 90 as well as my knees. But you're looking for an alignment of your shoulder over your hips. Now, you don't have a ball. You've most likely got a beautiful rolling chair. Now these chairs promote you to kind of slump back. I would encourage you, and if it's a little uncomfortable, put a pillow in your chair to make it a little more comfortable. But if you perch towards the edge of your chair, you're automatically going to have a more upright posture. And again, you're looking to kind of have that chin back. One way to help release your neck tension is to do a little bit of what we might call an angry turtle, where you pull that head back, or think double chin. And you can do that a couple of times because we tend to come here and our shoulders tend to round, and then gravity pulls everything back in. So sitting up nice and tall, again, you can kind of sit up. You can give yourself a little bit of a neck stretch from side to side, forward and back. A few neck circles. Just be careful not to go into a lot of extension in case there's a little bit of an issue with blood flow back there. But I'm just trying to help you anchor to your posture so that you have the energy to get through your day. Have a great day and do what you do best and keep educating those kids. Bye.